So here I got another delivery from the Hoya shop. Exciting. Came pretty quickly. Check your box. You never know. Sometimes people put goodies in there. All right. And here she is, unpacked from her boxing. Guys, I got me a silver lady. And would you look at that peduncle? Are you kidding me? How many times did this flower, I wonder? So that's exciting. So I'm really looking forward to see how this one grows. I've been wanting a silver lady. And I don't know whose video I was watching the other day, and they had a nice full pot of the silver lady, and I said, gotta get one. And I went looking. So again, this is from the Hoya shop. And I also got another wish list plant that I wanted to share with you. Hang on for a sec. And here we go. I got this beauty. This is the Lacanosa Silver Mint Coin. I just unpacked this last night. Came pretty quickly from Texas. The name of the Etsy shop is 2 nodes, 3 leaves. Isn't that cute? I love that little card. And a little thank you. And then these. She also included, Anna was the person I was communicating with, I think the owner of the shop. She got this to me so fast, it blew my mind. But yeah, and she responded quickly. Customer service top notch, no complaints. Another Etsy shop that I am very pleased with. So far so good. And yeah, this is so beautiful. So anyway, I took it out of the box and of course took it in the bathroom and sprayed it really well with insecticidal soap just to be on a safe side. I don't think anybody intentionally would send a plant with anything, but you know, you never know what's brewing sometimes. Plants have bugs. That's a common thing. But yeah. So oops. So anyway, I will repot this because I have a hard time figuring out when to water this cocoa coir. So I will definitely be repotting her into pond, which I'm more comfortable with. And I think I will be doing a reservoir or a self-watering. We'll see. And I will share that with you. So yeah, so these are the 2 newest silver babies I have. This one's huge and I am still blown away by the size of the peduncle. How many times has it flowered, I wonder? Yeah, but really looking forward to seeing this grow as well. And along with the other ones I've gotten from the Hoya shop, I will be doing a repotting soon into my pond mixture. I've been very comfortable with pond in my Hoyas. So yeah, the other 2, the Fuwawensis, I know I didn't say that, Fuwawensis, and the, what was the other one? The Natalie will be repotted. So I think I'll do that all together in one video for you. Now this is only part of my March haul. I'll be sharing some more. I'll put all the videos together so you can see it as one. And as far as that goes, thank you for watching. Go play in the dirt, guys.